gonna give our speed run today. Test out these new URGENEX 50C 2S. This is gonna be a 2S run. Now I'm gonna stress this again. You got one of these lithium ions? Get one of these, man. You'll be pleasantly surprised. They fit perfect. Any of these little battery guys, these work good. So, anyways, back to this guy. We haven't been able to get her over, or get her out on a day that's not pissing. So, luckily today, we got lucky, and the weather changed. So, I knew I had a sign when the deer was in Mama's yard when we got here. Maybe I'll throw a clip of that. Deer let me pretty much walk up on it. So, anyways, I still haven't gotten the max speed on this guy yet. And again, this is 50C. What I'm doing with this now, I don't know if you noticed, but the blue sides on this are my 3D printed ones. I have some more filament coming a couple days, so I'll be able to make some more prototypes of these. I think it works good because you just take a hunk of this electrical tape and you can tape your sides right on it, and it helps prevent that air from getting underneath the body. It's not pretty, but it works. So, do the same on the other side, and we'll try and get some good runs out of her. It's gonna be a quick one. Again, we're testing out the URGENEX 2200 mAh 50C 2S batteries with our 3S, or with our speed run WL custom build. Oh, might help if I put the GPS on it. This is real quick one. We got a dog. Little delay game there. Something's not right anyways, I gotta check it over. Alright, let's try this again. Oh. All right. Here, screwed up. Nothing came like that. Ah, this is a 650. 80 amp. Oh, 50 amp waterproof, 4S cable. We'll get it for 3S. There you go. Alright. Give her another roll. Man. Karen's a little floppy today. There we go. Alright. I think we'll be able to get a clean run now. So cross your fingers. Inching. Full throttle. Brake. Full throttle. Brake. Full throttle. Ooh, and landed on his feet. Man, that was beautiful. I hope I got that on video. Alright. That was pretty insane. Well, these wheels got about 5 or 6 runs on it, and these are the worst condition. They're holding up alright. Looks like I lost a few screws down here. Gonna have to go back over that. Again, I've only run her a few times, but she's got some balls. Put it that way. Alright, what do we got here? 56. Not bad at all. 56 miles an hour. I think we're at 50 with standard 2S. And I think I can get more out of her. But that's a good start. Now that's what the URGENEX 2200 MOS 50C. That's 56 miles an hour on a little old WL clone. This is a custom 14 or a Carbon 14, carbon fiber chassis, all white. Nothing's really warm. Still got plenty of juice too. So lithium ion, I'm getting about 45 on. So that's at least 10 mile an hour jump from that. So, and I think I can get more again. So that's a RAS. 60 amp ESC, Dumbo RC, and then I think this is a RAS motor too, 36. I'll put the link in the description. Not bad at all. Alright, maybe a little later I'll get a 3S on her and we'll see what we can do. But for now, like and subscribe. She got a deer in the yard. That's the one that lives in. What are you doing? Might have been born in your backyard. You had a couple of them born in your backyard. Let's see if they get scared when I get out.
I know, that's what I'm worried about. He's eating the, what's he eating?
Yeah, at least they're not eating your brains. Yeah. What are you doing? You gonna go ride on a swing? I know. Look at that brown nose, he's young. He's a yearling, maybe 2. Big though. That's cool. What are you looking at? Yeah, I'm looking at you. You're a sweetheart. You're gonna be big one day. Oh, I'm not feeding you. No. Don't feed this thing either.